and thanks for visiting my webpage. I'm glad you're here. I hope you take the time to browse some photographs like the one that features cycling in the South Bay, or maybe take a trip up coast to Oxnard to visit the Salsa Festival. Also, if you're interested in computer karaoke or 3D photography, then you've come to the right place. If your browser is Microsoft Agent equipped, why not take a tour of the estates where we reside, and Peedy the Parrot will give you an escorted tour around the complex. I'm sure you'll enjoy his comments. Well, thanks again for visiting. Come back often because my portfolio is updated frequently. Bye for now.
Hello and welcome to the Estates, Randy and Karen's Treetops Hideaway. Here you will see a few pictures of what living at the Estates has to offer. Starting with the main entrance to the complex, scroll down to see a tropical poolside setting on this condo tour page. There's Randy enjoying his favorite pastime, building web pages on his computer. Hey, Randy, you've been online too long. Get off. Well, at least he isn't wasting time out bird watching or something. As you navigate to the other pages, I will be there to point out a few things to you. Hello again. Are you ready to continue the estates tour? Great. Now this is my kind of balcony. Not to say it's for the birds, but they sure do seem to like it up here. Those doves recognize a good thing when they see it, you know? Even the big crows would move in if they weren't chased away. Ah! Wait a minute, please don't run me off. I don't raid those doves' nests like the mean old crows do. Karen sure looks relaxed sitting on the glider, doesn't she? I have a feeling that she'll look even more relaxed after a little wine and some popcorn. Ha 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 ha! I wouldn't mind a little snack myself. We'll see you on the recreation page. Let the games begin. It says here in the estate's rules and regulations that there should be no horseplay in the swimming pool. Wouldn't that seem to rule out loud and overly aggressive volleyball playing? Go figure. Let's go inside for a more quiet game of billiards. Karen is getting a lesson on the proper way to hold the stick. Did I hear somebody say 8-ball in the corner pocket? She must be a fast learner. It looks like Randy got pooped out playing tennis. Once he was asked by another tennis player not to whistle on the court. Nobody would dare ask yours truly to stop whistling, would they? Time to cool off and explore the grounds on the estates. See you on the next page. Gee, our tour is about over and I was just beginning to enjoy myself. Don't you just love all the lush greenery and little waterfalls? It makes me feel right at home. I'm going to miss this pretty place, but I'll be back for another visit for sure. Oh yes! Be sure to return to Randy's webpage and check out some more of his cool pictures. Well, it's time to fly. So many websites. So little time. Thanks for taking the estates tour with me. Hope you enjoyed it. There's just one more thing you really should see. If you click on the panorama link, you will get a 360-degree view of Randy and Karen's Treetops Hideaway. Would you like a little sun before I leave? Sure, no problem. Our nice tour here behind the gates was on the grounds of the estate, where doves and crows nest high up in the old pine trees. We have found a home for all us birdies near the beach in Palos Verdes. We love it here at Treetops Hideaway. Goodbye for now.